I just want to do a quick unboxing and first look of the brand new Galaxy A6 2018. So this is a slightly lower end A8, but should come with a nice premium design and some decent specifications. So I'm going to have a look at it here. In terms of the specs, we are getting 32 gigs internal storage, Super AMOLED, Infinity display and a full metal design here. With 3 gigs of RAM. So let's get it open here. Let's have a look. I think you can get these for about €250, so not that much more expensive than the J6. And you can see this is the nice front here, which comes with the main features on the front. So this is the build quality, as you can see, very nice and premium so far. Some slight hints of the C series that we did see back in the day. So I won't unpeel it just yet. Let's just have a look what you get in the box. So standard stuff, quick start guide. Do we get Type C? No, sticking with the old type charger. That's a bit of a fail. Fast charger, maybe. Looks like a basic one though. And some quite average looking earphones, maybe not too average, like mid-range kind of stuff here. The actual model, as you can see, and that's your lot, I think, when it comes to the box. So quite a standard affair in terms of the box. Let's have a look at the device here. So far it gives you very nice premium design, feel in the hand, very HTC A9 kind of design here. For those who remember the A9. So as I said, old type charging. You do get a headphone jack though, which is good. Fingerprint scanner on the back there, just underneath the camera, and some volume rocker, and a speaker on the side there. Quite a large display, as you can see. So let's just boot it up. See if we can shut the window as well. I only got the window open because it's so bloody hot. Not used to this weather, I'm not. So what do we have here? We have Samsung Startup. Doesn't look too different, I don't think, from normal Samsung handsets. Oh, you get high there as well. I think this is running the latest Samsung experience. So you get internet 5G, which is very nice as well. You don't usually get that on all mid-range phones. I'm just going to log in this one. In fact, no, I'm not, because it can cause problems during the unboxing. So you got your terms. You got your setup face recognition, so it looks like it's got some nice biometrics there. All your Samsung stuff. And some what Samsung calls useful features. I call it a bit bloatware. And and this is the device. So you can see very standard affair here in terms of the Samsung experience. Very you know, what we do expect here. As you can see, is it got good viewing angles? It looks like it. It's an OLED. Probably not quite as good as your S series, really. If I'm looking at it here, I think it lacks the HDR technology, which does give it those deeper colour gamut, but it looks very nice nevertheless. Let's have a look at the software. So in terms of the software, we are getting 8.0.0, so not the latest, but quite good for Samsung, you know. At least it's not on Marshmallow or something like that. Hopefully they'll keep it up to date. And let's have a look at the wallpapers. So quite standard here, actually the same ones as the old A8 etc. of this year. So far it looks like a pretty decent phone actually for the price. I mean, you probably could do better with a Nokia handset in terms of the spec etc, but if you want something, you know, Samsung here, you could do a lot worse, I think. I will do some tests on it, see how it compares with some other handsets, and see if it's worth bothering with. But yeah, just a quick little unboxing, first look of the A6 2018. Hope you did enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.